A stylish desk box is designed to enhance the organization of your desk neatly. When choosing a desk box, consider the possible contents. Also, it tends not to have drawers or trays, but of course this depends on your requirements. They come in various designs to suit any outdoor living space, and in a variety of sizes that can keep all your gardening supplies, cushions, and even pool equipment safely tucked away. So if you're looking for one, then we can help you with some of the best in the business. Check out our new video to get more details about the latest products on the market. The Suncast Resin Wicker Storage Seat offers a capacity of 22 gallons and decorative yet functional design. And this stylish storage solution is ideal for either indoor or outdoor use. It has the high-quality resin construction that is comfortable to maintain and durable enough to stand up to the elements all year round, while the small size makes the unit easy to tuck away in nearly any room of your home. When it comes to effortless organization, convenience, and comfort, it offers everything you need in one petite package. Also, it comes with a long-lasting resin construction, and it combines seating and storage solutions. Besides, it comes with a decorative yet functional design that provides extra seating and convenient storage. Moreover, you can use this dual-purpose storage bin to sit down and remove dirty or wet footwear before entering the house. Another advantage is that it is constructed with all-weather, durable resin that supports up to 250 pounds. The Keter Circa Deck Box comes with a unique circular design that blends in with any outdoor decor and provides you with storage, additional patio seating, and an extra serving place. It is indeed a versatile and striking addition to any patio furniture set. Also, it offers a heavy-duty construction that will support up to 140 kilogram weight capacity and provides a 37-gallon internal storage capacity. Besides, it's made from durable UV-protected resin, and it keeps its good looks in spite of harsh weather and exposure to the sun. Moreover, its ventilated sides ensure that everything you store stays safe and dry, no matter what the weather, while keeping your outdoor space clutter-free. Another advantage is that it has a wood-like texture that provides the attractive appearance of real wood with all the benefits of high-quality resin plastic. The Lifetime Extra Large Deck Box comes with an extra large deck box made from high-density polyethylene (HDPE) plastic, powder-coated steel hinges. It has plenty of room to store all the items that you want to keep in a convenient outdoor location and comes with a durable, lockable, spring-hinged lid, which opens to more than 90 degrees for easy access. Also, the versatile design allows you to install interior dividers or shelving. Besides, its UV-protected construction and the weather and water-resistant seal help keep the interior dry. Moreover, it delivers the most storage capacity of any deck box and includes the best warranty of any horizontal shed. The Suncast DBW7300 comes with a durable construction that is matched with contemporary design to bring style and harmony to any outdoor seating. It offers excellent storage space to store a range of items, and it has handles on each end and a stay-dry design. Also, it provides a contemporary style and design to enhance any decor. Besides, it features a decorative wicker design that looks great in any outdoor environment. It offers a generous storage capacity of 73 gallons, which is perfect for furniture cushions, pool supplies, gardening gear, and more. Moreover, the lid of the unit can even be padlocked for added security, and the durable resin construction allows for year-round use and easy maintenance. Another advantage is that the design includes handles on each end and a stay-dry design. Holding the first place among the list of best deck boxes, we have the Keter Westwood Deck Box. It is a robust deck storage box with large 150-gallon storage capacity. With its natural wood-paneled finish, it makes the perfect addition to even the most stylishly elevated outdoor areas. Also, this outdoor storage bench is made out of a durable and weather-resistant plastic resin that makes it easy to maintain and sturdy enough to withstand severe weather conditions. Besides, it is fully weather-resistant, easy to maintain, and keeps contents dry and ventilated. Another advantage is that it is ideal for pool storage, deck storage, or garden storage, and when your guests arrive, you will have no shortage of patio seating options. Thanks for watching. These are the best deck boxes in the market, and you won't go wrong buying any of these. If you liked the video and felt it helped you, then hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.